In this video, we are going to learn about two loop control statements, break and continue. Loop control statements. What does that mean? Break and continue are used to alter the flow of a normal loop. Let's understand it by an example. Consider this situation. Your friend was searching for a word in a book. He randomly opened a page and scanned each word from top to bottom, but he didn't find it. He opened another page randomly, but still not found the word. And then, due to some emergency, he has to go somewhere, and he requests you to find the word in the book. He also tells you that he has searched on page number 6 and 18. Now, you decide to start from the first page and go till the end of the book. You open the first page and starting from the top, you compare each word from the word you are searching and you go till the end and then turn the page. Now, let's suppose the word is present on the 20th page. You searched till page number 5 following the process you decided, but you still did not find it. Now, you turn the page and now you are on the 6th page. But as your friend already searched on that page, so you would skip the searching steps on that page and you will continue with the next page. Again, following the same search procedure, you reach page number 17, but still the word is not found. You turn the page, that is page number 18, but that's already searched. So, you will do the same what you did to page number 6. You will skip the steps and you will continue with the search from the next page, that is page number 19. Then, you will be on page number 20 and while scanning the words, you found your word somewhere in the middle of the page. Now, since you have got the word, you don't need to search the rest of the book and your task is over. Fine, but now let's think this process algorithmically or from an eye of programming. The problem was to find a given word in a book. Since you followed the same procedure to search on all the pages, we can enclose the search procedure steps in a loop, which would start from the first page of the book and go till the end. Since you need to get out of the loop once you find the word, you will use break statement. Breakout block allows you to end the loop and point the execution to the statement present just after the loop. Also, we wanted to skip the steps for some pages or iterations in case of loops. So, we will do it using continue statement. Continue with next iteration block allows you to skip the rest of the code present after this block and continue the loop with the next iteration. Now I think that you can map break and continue with the scenario we considered. Remember that the position of the statements or blocks decide how the program will execute. So, keep trying and learning. I'll see you guys in the next video.